We actually need this, guys. It's a jack. ARB jack.
What you're going to see is when, especially when you're getting it up in your overhead.
Wow.
Everything's moving. You're moving that big lever.
Oh, wow.
The part about it is a lot of times when you're doing a high lift, as a tool, I'm trying to align something, trying to get something to fit. With this here, I can take this and do this much.
Oh,
But
wow.
with my high lift, I've had my wife on the end of it going, okay, a little more, a little more, a little more.
Oh,
Then I can
yeah.
slide that pin in or what I want.
Yeah, yeah.
Here I can put it wherever I want it to be.
Wow.
Now, was that comfortable for you to use?
Yeah. Does it come with this? The
The
base?
base is not, doesn't.
Oh, it doesn't come. Okay, just that. Okay. We got our ARB, the jack.
Yeah, last two.
It's
So
the
we
last
got-
two.
we got one of them.
Yeah. Yep, so
Got a
that's
good
it.
discount too.
I know, great discount. I know, sweet. Cool. We have here the jack from ARB. And we also now got the jack base. So hopefully later we could try and check it out to see how this really works in real life. So we just finished unboxing the jack from ARB. So cool part is it comes with its own carry case right there. So that's cool. And then I believe these are the instructions at the bottom. Yes, they are. Here's the instructions right here. And it's actually not that big, but it's kind of heavy though. So we finished unwrapping it, and this is how it looks like.
Oh, this is nice.
Yep. There's that ARB sign right there. There's the warning sign right there. There's the red knob when it's time to release it or to bring it down.
Yeah, and this is the base
There's the base.
where you put this. Oh, this is heavy.
And there you go. Now you have more stability
Yeah.
or a better foundation. All right, guys, we're going up. So here's the jack from ARB, and this will be our first time using the jack. So let's go open it up and see how it's like.
We also got the base.
Yep, that's the orange base right there. We are now applying the jack here at the jack base, and this is how we're doing it. Oh, where are we gonna put it, in the middle?
Yeah.
Since we have a rock slider, we're just gonna put it right there, and then she's now setting this up. All right, and then start pumping it out. There you go. So we made contact with our rock slider, and she's now pumping it up. Man, look how easy that is. Look at that, that's so cool. There you go. Pump it a little bit more. Is that high enough for the tires to be changed?
No.
No? Okay,
So-
just a few more, just a little bit more. is how it is. Are the tires lifted?
No,
Is it off the ground?
a little bit.
Just a little bit?
Yeah.
Maybe just do it a little bit more.
There, the front is already lifted.
There, the front is already lifted.
Yeah.
Maybe one more pump. Or two. There, that's perfect. Oh yeah, there you go. Well, we do have it in the middle.
Yeah.
So if you put it closer to where you wanna do it in, then it'll be a lot easier and it'll be a lot higher. Yeah, because we kind of got it in the middle.
Yeah, it's in the middle.
Yeah. So there you go, guys. So this is how it looks like. My camera is straight, or the phone is straight right now, and this is how the angle is. So that's cool. And then this is how the side looks like right there. Cool. Sweet. That was nice and easy.
Yeah.
Cool. So we got the tires up. Let's say you already changed your tire or whatever happened, or you got stuck. So now let's put the jack down.
Yeah, there's a red
Button or a knob.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And then you just need to press it.
All right, press it.
If you want it to go down a little bit or slow,
Slow?
you just press it just
Slightly.
and then you see it's going down just a little bit. But
that's
if you
cool.
want it to,
Just go all the way down, like screw it. Whoa, damn, that was pretty fast. Whoa. Wow. Cool. And then now, how do we put it all the way down now? Because it's still high.
so you just need to put pressure.
Just gotta put pressure.
Yeah.
You need help or?
Yeah.
Okay. So.
No, we need to remove it from here.
Okay, so we need to remove it from here.
There we go.
There, she got it. Okay.
And then you just need to
Press. Push that sucker down. Go press. Oh, there you go. See how it's going down, guys? It's a hydraulic system. There you go. Now it's all the way down. Look how easy that was. She's locking the thing.
ready to put it down.
And it's ready to put it back. Nice and easy peasy. All right, bonjour guys. We got the le poulet right here with some frites. Poulet and frites, or french fries, right there. And we're back here in Moline. And we kind of read the instructions. So how do I remove this? We just,
There we go.
there, she got it, okay.